Hey, this is Satish from AHA Apps. We're here at the Microsoft Business Applications Summit in Atlanta. A lot of learning. I mean, there's a lot going on here, and we wanted to share some of the things that we have learned with you guys. Power BI, is becoming a game changer in Microsoft's suite of products. So one of our customers had this problem, and we found a solution for that here at the event. So for example, if your customer has thousands and thousands of users that want to get a hold of the reports, the data, what did we used to do? We used to expose the SSRS reports on a web application, but you don't have to do that anymore. You can expose the reports on your web application using embedded Power BI, and without any licenses, for paying any extra licenses for your users, you could still expose those reports, and there can be interactive reports. Your users can actually change things and get different view of the data. And of course, there is Azure component involved in this. You'd have to pay for the Azure services where Azure has to crunch your data, but that's pretty much it. There's no more user licenses and all that. So that's one of the very useful things that we have learned, and I think we're going to take this to our customer and propose a solution for them.